Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to transfer money to United Kingdom with Revolut. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you want to make your transfer or make a bank transfer to the United Kingdom here, well, there are a few things that you need to do. First things first, open up the Revolut app here and just access your account. Now at the bottom of your screen, you should see Home, Invest, Payments, Crypto, and Rev Points. Now you want to go and click on the Payments option that you see at the center bottom of your screen. Now, under Payments, you want to go and click on the plus button at the top right of your screen. And from then on, you just need to basically choose who or where you're sending your transfer. So there are a lot of options here like Revolut Friend, Bank Recipient, Card Recipient, or Group. So from then on, you can go ahead and just choose either Bank Recipient or go and choose Send International. But then again, if you choose bank recipient here, it should give you the option to enter the necessary details. So in this case, if it is it an individual account or a business account, so go and choose the appropriate one. Now from then on, you want to go and just choose the country or region of the recipient's account. So in this case, if they are in the UK, go and choose UK or United Kingdom in the options. And you can go and choose the currency as well, and also the international bank account number. Now, depending on where you're sending, details may vary. And also, since you're entering the details here, make sure everything is correct. So that includes their first name and last name. So to avoid any delays with the transfer. Now, make sure the name is spelled correctly and exactly as it is stated in their bank account. Now, you could also add their email address here if you want, but that's just optional. Now, you can go and click on Add Recipient. Now, once you've added the recipient here, it should also give you the option to start sending start initiating transfer. Now you can go and indicate the amount and also which bank account that you account that you want to make the transfer from. Now you can go and click on the drop down button that you see here just underneath no fee section. So if you click on it, it should give you the option to choose where to send from. Is it from a Euro account, Australian dollar account, British pound account, or US dollar account, or whatever option or wallet you currently have right now. Now, once you've done that or choosing the appropriate one, you should be able to click on the continue button at the bottom of the screen. And also, you could also choose or enter a reference if you want to add some notes. But in this case, you just need to review your transfer here and just make sure everything is correct. So that includes the name of the recipient, the international bank account number, and also the fees if there are any. But in this case, that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.